Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with the fourth chapter of the class 8 Adobe Photoshop CC. In this chapter I have discussed in the various topics, important topics, and also the objective of these questions and objective of these chapters. Now I am going to continue with the question answer of this chapter. What is Adobe Photoshop? Describe any two features of Adobe Photoshop. Answer is Adobe Photoshop is a popular software, popularly known as the Photoshop, is a graphics editing program developed by Adobe system. Photoshop is widely used by millions of graphics artists, web developers, photographers, as well as common people. Most of the posters, magazines, cover book, cover vouchers, etc. Two features of the Photoshop are: first, revised user-friendly interface. Second, photo editing or photo manipulating in lesser time with little efforts. Question number second. Name the three options used with the Magic Wand tools. Name the three options used with the Magic Wand tools. Answer: Magic Wand tools is used to automatically select the adjacent area of the same colors in an image. Name of the three options are tolerance, anti-alias, and contiguous. Tolerance 0 to 255 determines the color range of the selected pixels. The higher the tolerance, wider will be the range of the selected pixels. Second, anti-alias reduces a smooth edge by partially filling the edge pixel. Third, contiguous limit the selection to adjacent pixels only. While in checking this option, all the pixels in the image within the same tolerance range will be selected. Question 3. What do you understand by the cropping? Cropping is used to select a specified area that we want to focus and removes the unwanted part of everything outside the selected area of pictures. In other words, cropping is the process of removing the portions of photo to create focus or strengthen the compositions. Question number 4. Differentiate between the rectangular marquee and lasso tools. Rectangular marquee tools is used to select an image or a part of it in a rectangular, a square, or elliptical shape, or as a raw column that is 1 pixel wide. Whereas lasso tools is used for selecting irregular shapes. Follows these steps to select a part of the image using the lasso tools. These are questions of the chapter 4 I have completed all the questions and objective up to the chapter 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.